Hey, how y'all doing? Connor. So I haven't been really filming the engine disassembly that much, and I've gotten really far without you guys, so I'm sorry about that, but this is how far I've gotten. Yeah, I'm all the way down to the rocker arms. Yeah, I forgot to film for a while, and yeah, I forgot about that. There's a rocker arm. It's pretty standard. They're kind of loose though, some of them. So, yeah, and got the manifolds basically off. Just got to disconnect them from the pipe. And this one still has one bolt left on the block. Got the spark plugs out. Well, showing, I mean, got the distributor out. So, yeah. Take off this pump here. This water pump. Then take out 2 engine mounts. Disconnect from the transmission. And then pull it out with my tractor. And then put it on an engine stand, and it'll be mine. So, because we're going to get a new engine for it. And I'll also film that. So, as you can see, it's kind of cold and windy this morning. So I'll be filming in a little bit when it warms up. I'm going to go back in. It's pretty cold up here in the mountains. So, yeah, I'll see you in a little while, guys. Hey, how y'all doing? Connor. The video, I can't continue the engine video today because it's extremely windy and there's a huge fire in my valley. Big fire. You can hear sirens and stuff, so it's really smoky and yeah, really windy. That's not very good for a fire, so it's getting worse. So yeah, sorry about that, but the video continuing the engine takedown will be tomorrow afternoon, around 6 or 5 maybe. So look out for that video. Yeah, so video had to be halted because of a big fire. So sorry guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6 or 5.